Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to remove the password feature from Windows 10. When you first bought your computer and set up Windows 10, it asks you for a password, and most people will supply a password. But if you're the only person using the computer, you don't need a password, and I'll show you how to remove it. Go to search, type NETPLWIZ. Click that. This box here, uncheck it. Click apply. Put your password in. Confirm it. OK. OK. Reboot your computer, and the password is now removed from Windows 10. It's just going to make your life a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.